Hi everyone. So we have seen our snake game and we saw how the game is coded, and in this video I'll show how can we make the snake game automated. I'm trying out different strategies, different algorithms. Even I'm trying genetic algorithms. I'll also be trying neural networks to control the snake and to make the snake learn from the history or the past experience. Okay, but in this video we'll see how can we simply automate the snake. Okay, so this is the code basically, and you can see that all the codes are similar to our previous one, and we are using our SFML graphics module, and everything is same. So the same snake is there, warm, and don't worry, I'll be uploading the source code also, so you can download it and you can test it on your own. This is a function here, it's safe and it is not coded well. Basically it checks whether the snake is hitting itself or not. Okay, so in real snake game we have seen that whenever the snake touches its own body, then it should be a game over. So that is the condition here, and we have not coded it very well, so I'll be coding it and I'll be uploading more videos on that. So this is just the first iteration of our smart snake, I should say smart snake. Okay, so this is basically the fitness function. So we have calculated the best move here. We are calculating whether the snake should take left, right, or just go forward, and that move is calculated here. And you can see that we are using Manhattan distance. It's like calculating the shortest distance in a grid system. Okay, if you don't understand, just comment down. I'll just make a separate video, or I'll just tell you right away what is the Manhattan distance, or you can just check the Google for it. Okay, there are I think 3 or 4 types of distances to calculate. One is Euclidean distance, another is Manhattan distance, and there are other distances also. So we have used the Manhattan distance, and this is calculated in this way. It's a very simple formula. So if you don't get it, just comment it so that I can reply. And after that, after calculating the Manhattan distance, we have calculated the best move, and this possible temptation array I have created, and it will store the distances from the snake head to the food position. Okay, so this array will be having all the possible distances, Manhattan distances from snake head to food position. Okay, and we'll take the minimum distance and we'll go in that direction only. So you can see that in this condition also we have checked whether the distance is smallest or not, and the distance should be safe also, the move should be safe also. Okay, so after that the user loop is coming, then we are getting the Manhattan distance also, we are printing it and we are calculating the next move also. So next best move will be reflected, and after that everything is quite similar to the previous one. So let's run it and let's see what will happen. Okay, so this is it. Now you can see that snake is moving on his own, and we can see here the next move is also reflected here. So it is really interesting, and because the snake is not making any strategy, and it is not following any kind of genetic algorithm, or it is not learning from the experience of its past, so it can be little bit fuzzy sometime, or it can be little bit, you know, sometimes it may follow some arbitrary rules. Okay, so this is it. You must have got the intuition, and you can see that it is crossing its own body, and this is happening because we haven't coded this function yet. Okay, this. So when we'll code this function properly, it will not happen, and in the next video we'll code this function, and maybe I'll be implementing some strategy that is from genetic algorithms, and we'll see how we can generate a habit in our snake. Okay, so thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel, you'll get a lot of interesting stuff, a lot of videos. We make very diverse videos in the field of mathematics, also in the field of technology, in the field of hacking, some tricks, a lot of things are there. So make sure you subscribe, share this video, ask your friend to subscribe, because I want to get 1,000 subscribers. That will basically help me in getting my videos monetized. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. See you. Bye bye.